All right, DIYers, we are going to replace the automatic transmission oil pressure sense. It's not, yeah, automatic transmission oil switch, which is here. Okay. Okay, it is an aftermarket part. It's not an OEM part from Honda. So I got this off of, checked on Honda, couldn't find one. Checked on eBay, couldn't find one. So finally got it off of Amazon. So didn't have an OEM part I could find. But that's okay, because it's brand new. So we're gonna replace it. Let's get it. Okay, take off the cap. Okay, cap off. My most of my caps, they're broken, so I'm gonna have to eventually replace them all, the ones that are broken, but I'm good to go for right now. Okay, let me get this off. 22 millimeter socket, deep socket wrench, ratchet. Okay, 22 millimeter. So there we go. That wasn't too tight. That wasn't too bad at all. Okay. So this is the old one. Make sure I'm in there. Yep, that's the old one. Probably needs to be replaced. It's let's see, it looks kind of old. I don't know how long it's been on, but that's the old one. Looks kind of old. All right, place it with the new one. So here's the new one that I'm replacing it with. I'm just going to screw it in, then I'm going to make sure it's not too tight. Okay, let me see. Make sure. I like to look at both old and new. Old is on the left, new is on the right. Make sure the parts are pretty similar or the same. Let's do it this way. And they appear to be the same. Okay. That's pretty tight. Cool. Don't want to over tighten it. Okay. Let me make sure. Did I have? Oh, I might have to take it back off. I don't think I had the. Let me take it back off. I didn't have the washer around it. I want to make sure I get that washer around it. So let me take it back off, and then I'll put the washer on it. I don't think there's a washer. I don't think I had that washer on it. Let me make sure. I want to make sure I get that washer on it. So, let's see. I did not, so yeah, I want to make sure I have the washer on it. Okay. Get that washer, and we should be good to go. There we go. I want the washer. Okay. There we go. All right, almost there. 22 millimeter deep socket. Okay. Okay. That's on there. Plug back on, and we are good to go. Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. That was easy. I like it when it's easy. I'm going to put some tape on there.